सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
The global confirmed coronavirus cases surpassed the 3 million mark, with death toll rising to 228,224. The number of coronavirus cases in India climbed to 33,050. The active cases are 23,651. 8,325 people have been cured and 1,074 deaths have been reported. Maharashtra, the worst impacted state, is nearing 10,000 cases. Gujarat and Delhi are the two of the other states that have been severely hit with more than 4,000 and 3,000 cases respectively. Mumbai's coronavirus cases has risen over 6,000. Delhi also witnessed a sharp hike in fresh cases this week. The national capital, Delhi, became the third state to record more than 3,000 coronavirus infections. Noida banks to deliver cash at doorsteps in hotspot areas via Bank Mitras. Delhi CRPF battalion has reported 12 more coronavirus cases, taking the total number of virus infections to 47, including one Jawan who died due to the disease day before yesterday. The entire 31st Battalion of the CRPF in East Delhi's Mayur Vihar of nearly 1,000 people have been quarantined. The Meghalaya government declared 10 of the state's 11 districts as green zones and allowed inter-district movement there. The decision was taken as no COVID-19 case was reported from these districts. Uttarakhand government to boost immunity of corona warriors with homeopathic Ayurvedic medicines. Uttarakhand Cabinet Minister Madan Kaushik said the government has sanctioned Rs 2.48 crore to boost the immunity of corona warriors. Former Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, Dr. Raghuram Rajan has said that if India has to go for a second or third lockdown to check the spread of the coronavirus disease, it will be devastating for the country's economy. The International Labour Organization revealed almost 1.6 billion workers in the informal economy, nearly half of the global workforce, face an immediate danger of losing their livelihoods due to the continued sharp decline in working hours because of the COVID-19 outbreak. As per the UN agency, more than 430 million enterprises in hard-hit sectors such as retail and manufacturing risk serious disruption. The Health Ministry on Tuesday came out with a categorical and emphatic warning that it has not approved plasma therapy for treatment of coronavirus, and this should be used only for research and trial purposes till there is robust scientific evidence to support its efficacy. The portals of the Kedarnath temple were opened yesterday, with the first puja performed on behalf of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, with only members of the Shrines Committee and administrative officials attending it amid the COVID-19 lockdown. The Supreme Court on Monday ordered the centre to make available the essential personal protective equipments to non-COVID doctors and other healthcare workers engaged in treating the non-COVID patients. The Serum Institute of India plans to produce up to 60 million doses of a potential vaccine against the new coronavirus that is under clinical trial in Britain. Serum, the world's largest maker of vaccines by volume, is mass producing the vaccine candidate developed by the University of Oxford, which started testing it on humans last week. Serum is a leader in the global race to develop an antidote to the novel coronavirus. Air India set to resume partial services from mid-May. The United States provides an additional $3 million to support India's COVID-19 response. The US coronavirus death toll reached a grim milestone as it hit the 1 million mark, surpassing the number of American lives lost in the Vietnam War. Many Americans in India who had signed up for airlifts back to the US are now deciding to stay back and ride it out during the COVID-19 pandemic as US cases have risen to 1 million. US government study suggests sunlight can shrink amount of coronavirus by half in just 2 minutes. US President Donald Trump doubled down on China for failing to tame the coronavirus at its very origin, saying it has led to 184 countries going through hell. Leaders of the US, the UK and Germany believe that the deaths and the destruction of the global economy could have been avoided had China shared the information about the virus in its early phases. British Airways forced to cut 12,000 jobs amid grounded air travel. China reports increase in imported coronavirus cases. China says total of 82,862 confirmed coronavirus cases and 4,633 deaths recorded on mainland by end of April 29. China to host its annual parliament session. The third session of the 13th National People's Congress, which was to be held in early March, was postponed due to the coronavirus outbreak. The major political gathering will now open in Beijing on May 22. COVID-19 cases in Spain are 236,899, Italy 203,591, France 166,543, United Kingdom 166,441 and Germany 161,539. Here is total coronavirus cases in India state-wise. Andaman and Nicobar Islands 33, Andhra Pradesh 1,332, Arunachal Pradesh 1, Assam 38, Bihar 392, Chandigarh 56, Chhattisgarh 38, Delhi 3,439, Goa 7, Gujarat 4,082, Haryana 310, Himachal Pradesh 40, Jammu and Kashmir 581, Jharkhand 107, Karnataka 535, Kerala 495, Ladakh 22, Madhya Pradesh 2,561, Maharashtra 9,915, Manipur 2, Meghalaya 12, Mizoram 1, Odisha 125, Pondicherry 8, Punjab 357, Rajasthan 2,438, Tamil Nadu 2,162, Telangana 1,012, Tripura 2, Uttarakhand 55, Uttar Pradesh 2,134, West Bengal 758. Bureau Report, NMTV News.